all these achievements did not become easy for Yulo. This was not an overnight achievement. Because if we are going to learn, Yulo started training for gymnastics at the age of 7. Meaning, it took him 17 years before he naging Olympic gold medalist. For 17 years, di natin marirealize that in life, winning is not easy. Maybe an imo spiritual, perdido yan na. Maybe an imo financial aspect, perdido yan na. Bibog to, an imo yan na emotional state, very okay. Mentally, physically, or personally feeling mo, permi ka nala, perdi. Ngan nakukurian ka, maipanalo ito yan na. I know, winning will not be easy. But I want you to know tonight that it is still possible.